The YouTube channel that started the same month as yours did is now 4 times bigger than yours. The reason isn't that the creator is more talented than you, they just aren't making the same obvious mistakes most YouTube channels don't even think about. After analyzing dozens of successful and failed YouTube channels, I have learned a pattern, and this pattern almost always repeats itself for every successful creator out there. So, here are 10 things that do the most damage, what to do instead, and the catch that comes with each fix. Let's get straight into it. Number one, making content for everyone instead of a target audience. Here's the thing. YouTube isn't really sitting there deciding whether your video is good. It's deciding which viewer to hand it to. It matches videos to people. So if your videos can't fall in the one category, the algorithm won't be able to decide who to show these videos. For example, a video aimed at total beginners and experienced people at the same time is a video for neither of them. Niching down feels like you're shrinking your own viewership, and in the short term, it does. But it's still the right trade because a small audience that clicks every time beats a big, vague one that probably won't. Once you've got the right small ones, YouTube keeps pushing your videos to newer, similar groups, which increases your viewership. Number two, copying big creator topics instead of underlying strategies. You've probably done this. Most people have. You find a video doing huge numbers in your niche and you make your own version and it doesn't perform at all. The reason is that their video worked because of who was already watching them, not because of the topic. Somebody with 1 million subscribers posting a breakdown of their own finances works because 1 million people already care about that person's money. The same video for a channel with 100 subscribers has nobody with a reason to care yet. So study the mechanism instead. How fast do they get to the point? What does the thumbnail actually promise? How do they structure the first 30 seconds? Copy that, not the title and topic only. I am not telling you never to take inspiration. Refusing to take inspiration at all leaves you inventing everything from scratch, which is slower and usually worse. So copy the right strategy, not the whole video. Number three, setting titles and thumbnails in the last 10 minutes. Most creators type a title into the box while the video is still uploading, and the first title you write is rarely your best one. The fix is to decide both of them before you film, so the video is built to deliver what the packaging promises and before you publish. For the thumbnail text, look at the thumbnail sitting in a grid next to the other videos at actual size, because that's actually how it will look once published. Is the text readable? Is it punchy? Does it make you want to click? Ask yourself all of these questions before you hit publish. Regarding CTR, channels under 1,000 subscribers usually run a 2 to 4% click through rate, and 4 to 6% is around average once you're established. But the perfect packaging on a weak idea just gets more people to deliver to click and leave faster, which does more harm than a low click rate does. Number four, burying the hook and delaying the payoff. Your title made a promise and the viewer clicked to collect it. Every second before you start paying that out is a moment they can leave, and the opening is where most channels lose half their audience. 90 seconds of, hey guys, welcome back, before the actual topic starts is the single most common version of this. What works instead is using the first 15 seconds to confirm they're in the right place and then add one reason to keep watching. Get to the point fast, then let your personality carry the rest. Number five, publishing randomly without a content calendar. This one is exactly why that other channel is pulling ahead while doing the same amount of work as you do. Your uploads default to public whenever you want. You don't have a time set to publish, so your viewers are never going to wait for your videos. YouTube itself shows the times your viewers are most active, and that is the best time to upload. It might not show for newer channels, but testing the best days and testing the best times for the best days can help you figure out when to publish for maximum views. Number six, ending your videos on a dead end. The metric that matters here is session time, which is the total time somebody spends on YouTube after clicking you, not just the time spent on your video. If they close the app straight after you, that's a weak signal. And it doesn't only affect that one video, it affects how aggressively the platform pushes your whole channel. You get 20 seconds of an in screen space on every long form video, and most new creators either leave it empty or drop in two random ones. So, point at one specific relevant video and actually say out loud why they should watch it. Number seven, editing for the right device. Most of your audience is watching on a phone, and text that looks crisp on a 27-inch screen turns into unreadable mush at that size. Same goes for detailed graphics and small on screen labels. And the device changes more than legibility because phone audiences generally sit through shorter videos while TV audiences will stay for much longer ones. The easy fix is to watch your export on your phone before you publish and check the device breakdown in your analytics. You can't optimize for both at once, so look at the split and edit for whichever device the majority uses. Number eight, giving up while the algorithm is still testing. The YouTube algorithm shows a new video to a small group, watches what they do, pulls back, then tries again later with a slightly different group. From your side, that looks like a spike followed by a collapse. It isn't. Videos finding their audience weeks or even months after an upload is normal, not some rare fluke. So keep revisiting your older videos, give them enough time to see a viewership spike, and change the thumbnail and titles slightly with A B testing to see what works. Number nine, changing formats for every upload. When somebody finishes a video and likes it, the natural next move is to look for another one just like it. And if nothing else on your channel resembles the thing that they just enjoyed, they leave instead. The successful channels that you're comparing almost always have two or three formats they run over and over again with a new subject each time. It also helps the platform because a repeatable format gives YouTube a pattern to recognize instead of 20 unrelated experiments to figure out the right audience. Make it easy for YouTube and it will make it easy for you. Number 10, treating published videos as finished work. Your old videos keep getting shown to people for years and almost nobody goes back to them. The problem is that a video you posted 6 months ago was titled and thumbnailed with much less research, and it's still out there collecting impressions with that old packaging attached. Going back to a video that has a solid watch time but a weak click rate and giving it a title and thumbnail you'd write today is the easiest traffic available to you because the video already exists and so does the demand. And this is the part I actually want you to take away. Go back to that channel you keep comparing yourself to, the one that started around the same time and is somehow miles ahead. Now, I want you to find each one of those mistakes that they're still doing and tell me in the comments if this saved you some time. Subscribe because I break down strategies like this every week. I will see you in the next one.